How do elite athletes use unique rep ranges for strength? Imagine stepping onto the field or court, where every movement counts and each second matters. For elite athletes, the difference between victory and defeat often lies in their training methods, particularly in how they utilize unique repetition ranges to enhance strength. Elite athletes understand that strength training is not a one-size-fits-all approach. They strategically manipulate their repetition ranges to target specific muscle fibers and energy systems, optimizing their performance for their respective sports. The foundation of this strategy is rooted in the understanding of muscle physiology and the principles of resistance training. When athletes focus on lower repetition ranges, typically between 1 and 5 repetitions, they are primarily targeting maximal strength. This range is crucial for developing the ability to lift heavier weights, which translates into improved power output. For example, a sprinter may incorporate low repetition strength training to enhance their explosive speed during a race. By lifting heavier weights, they increase their overall strength, which contributes to more powerful strides. On the other hand, moderate repetition ranges, usually between 6 and 12 repetitions, are often employed to build muscle hypertrophy. This is particularly important for athletes in sports that requiring a combination of strength and endurance, such as rugby or football. By focusing on this range, athletes can increase their muscle size, which supports greater strength and stamina during prolonged physical activity. Finally, higher repetition ranges, typically above 12 repetitions, are utilized to improve muscular endurance. Endurance athletes, such as long-distance runners or cyclists, benefit from this approach as it enhances their ability to sustain performance over extended periods. By training in this range, they develop the muscular stamina necessary to maintain their pace without fatigue. In addition to these specific repetition ranges, elite athletes often incorporate periodization into their training programs. This involves cycling through different phases of training, each with distinct goals and repetition ranges. By doing so, they prevent plateaus, reduce the risk of injury, and keep their training fresh and effective. Ultimately, the unique rep ranges that elite athletes utilize are tailored to their individual needs and the demands of their sport. By understanding and applying these principles, they can maximize their strength and performance, ensuring they are at the top of their game when it matters most.